Okay, that was just a little run through of the different parts in the War on Drugs song called Change off their album that just came out. I got a capo on the 3rd fret, and this song is in D. So there's really just 3 parts to the song. There's a verse, and then it goes into like a kind of a chorus. And then there's a bridge section. So the first section where the song starts, that is kind of like the chorus chord progression. So it's D, E minor, B minor, A. That's the first like part of it. On the A, and then it goes G, E minor, D, A. So all together that's D, E minor, B minor, A, G, E minor, D, A. That repeats twice, I think, and then it goes into the verse. The verse is a D, 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 A, 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 B minor, A, G. It's D, 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 because it repeats twice. A, B minor, A, G, and then it does like a little D, D, A, D, A, and then it repeats the verse D, A, D. So, and then it goes into the chorus. The only other part is the bridge, which is G, 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 D, A. Okay, that's how you play the chords for War on Drugs, Change. Keep on the 3rd fret. One thing he's kind of doing in there in his arpeggios, he's using a pick. I just didn't have a pick handy, but he's kind of playing the high notes first. He's going high to low on his picking pattern. Gives it kind of a different sound than what you're used to. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.